All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get right into this box. Popped up today. Let's see what it is. I have a idea what it could be, but I'm not sure. Oh, doing this one-handed is fantastic. Go ahead and then we'll put this on the tripod, actually. Let me put it on the tripod. There we go. All right, it's now on the tripod, so we can have a general idea what this could be. Not 100% sure. All right, comes in a generic box. Interesting. All right. All right. See what we got in here, boys. Oh, this is what I think it is. Okay, so let's go ahead and show the top-down angle. This is actually funny. So I bought it off Amazon, right? And it still says on Amazon that it's preparing for shipment. So it says it's not even shipped yet. And it arrived. I didn't know it was arriving. It was literally outside all day. I didn't know it's arriving. So we have a regular computer cord. So not even an Apple official cord. That's promising. You get a wireless mouse. So there's one hand. It looks like it's just a regular wireless mouse. So not Apple. Yeah, it's not an Apple mouse. You get a battery. You also get a T-Force. I should read the box. Doesn't say the name of the company. It says user manual. Does not say the name of the company. All right, this is kind of janky how this is set up. It's not wet, it's just cold. You get Imac 104 key wired USB mouse. Now I did read reviews that this would have a wired mouse. I'm sorry, wired mouse and keyboard. This is not what I expected to see in the studio today. Not gonna lie to you guys. Okay, doing this one-handed is always fantastic. Okay, let me do that. And that's what I expected. It's kind of generic. Kind of like a $10, $5 keyboard. So nothing too special keyboard-wise. So you get a keyboard, you get a mouse, and you get the power cable. Now, this part. Okay, let me... Is this connected to anything? It's not connected to anything, okay. So, it's gonna take this out. We'll lay it back. That's that bad boy right there. Anything else in this box? I don't think so. I don't believe it's going to be anything else in this box. Let me see. No. Okay. The rest of this is just cardboard, which is always nice to have. But here is the main attraction. So I don't know how I feel about this. It's wrapped pretty okay. Right? It's not the greatest wrapping job of all time, but definitely could have been worse. Where's my knife at? Okay, I lost my knife. Which would be really nice to have right now. Alright, let me... Alright, so there's one-handed, guys. Where did I put my knife? I put it over there. Alright, let's get the knife. That's where I can actually cut into this. And we kind of get a top-down angle of this bad boy. Kind of get a better look at it. All right. Get rid of all this bubble wrap. All right. Let's look at the back, okay? Because, again, this is refurbished. So, I see the mark right here. It's a low mark. It's not scratching off. Looks like it is, I don't know, it's maybe some debris. Okay, the back looks okay. I'm really interested to see how the glass looks. That on the angle right there, guys. Put you guys down for a second. All right. So, the glass actually looks pretty decent. The glass does not look that bad. We also have this little sticker, which does say Imac 21.5 inch, i5 2.8, 1 terabyte HD, which I'm not sure if this sticker is going to come off easily or it's going to be a headache. A lot of times these stickers are headaches. See, this is what I thought I was going to do. Alright, I'm going to have to go back and take that off later. But let's go ahead and set it up real fast, guys. I'll be right back. Alright, so I went ahead and set everything up, plugged it in. The cord, it works, but it's very loose because it's not the cord that's supposed to go in here. The actual cord is a big white cord. It's like that. That's why there's a whole thing back there. I could not get this fully off. So I got to go back tonight and finish getting this off. That's very annoying. But other than that, like I said before, the actual display, let me go ahead and pop this light on for you guys. The actual body looks okay, other than that blemish down there. And the display doesn't look that bad. So let's turn it on. I think it's on the side. Okay, let's see. See a backlight. There we go. We see Apple logo. Looks promising so far. Should be no problem. Hopefully. That's the goal. Again, I think I paid $246 on this for Amazon. I have a thing on the screen how much I paid, but it's not too bad, honestly. Now, of course, this will have a lot of issues when it comes to, you know, downloading newer applications, going ahead and installing certain things. It's going to have a problem in that category, but I'll be honest with you. Not too bad. For what you get, it's a decent price. And let's see if this actually loads in. I'm kind of delaying this a little bit, guys, but I want to make sure it actually loads up. Because that is something that I'm kind of hesitant about. I did actually own... Actually, that's a microphone. I just realized that. That's not a blemish. That's a microphone. I did own an iMac before. So, it's not... I do like these a lot. I know the new ones that just came out. The biggest issue was the bezel. I mean, it's not the bezel. The still had the chin. I like the chin. It has a little character to it. But the new ones don't have the Apple logo, which a lot of people do not like. Okay, so it looks like... Did my mouse connect? Or the mouse they gave me? Does not. Okay. So this is what I thought might be a problem. Actually, it's not a problem at all. Just realize how you work this mouse. This is a simple... It's a simple mouse. You go ahead and just plug it in the back. I can do this in a very simplistic way. Just like that. And now narrator mode's on. Kind of annoying. But yeah, no, I mean, overall wise, it's a basic Mac. Not too bad. Decent. For the price tag, it's not bad. And not really much blemishes / issues with the display. I was kind of scared about that. That's going to be annoying a little bit. And then, of course, we have the one back here. And I'm not sure what the voltage / ampage is on that cord, if that's actually able to fully give this power. So, gonna look at some of the stuff like that. But 1 terabyte, not bad for just having a computer to surf the web. Alright, so after going ahead and setting everything up, I have went ahead and, as you guys can see, there actually are updates available. So I'm going to update this soon. But it actually launches with macOS Catalina version, so I can get this, 10.15. This is a late 2015 1.5 inch iMac processor, 2.8 gigahertz, quad-core Intel i5, 8 gigabytes of RAM, solid disk untitled, graphics obviously right there, and then for storage, we go ahead and go over to storage here. 1 terabyte. So overall, like I said, other than that one in the back cosmetic issues, not much problems at all. I was heavily surprised by this. But if you guys did enjoy this video, hit the like, comment down below. See you guys next one. Peace.